Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is September the 7th, 2 days since I did my fig tour, but the one fig that was sort of looking ripe has gotten ripe. Looks like it's ready to pick, so we're going to pick it, look at it, and eat it. So it's a happy day. Turn the camera around. Okay, here's my tree, the one I got most figs off last year, and this year so far too. But this year the figs seem like they're smaller. Okay, here's the one that looks ripe. Gonna go ahead and take a picture of that. I think I can do that while I'm doing this. Alright, so here's the fig. It's gotten soft and it's drooped down. Sort of sticky on it. It's like it's got sugar on it. So, ready to pick. I hope. We'll see. Alright. It's got a little like a purplish color to it. Okay, I looked for my tripod and I couldn't find it, so I'm gonna have to use my knees on this. And I got my Swiss Army knife, which I wiped most of the dirt off of it for this special occasion. Oh yeah, look at that. Let me put it in here and focus it. There we go. Nice. Let me grab a leaf to do this on. There we go. There's a leaf to set it on. Now it's time for the taste test. Looks nice and juicy. Now that I'm tasting it, I remember what the ones tasted like last year. Tastes sort of like jelly. I don't know. Sort of hard to describe, but it's a really nice flavor. I like it. It's really sweet. It's probably, did I say before, it's probably Celeste, because 90% of the figs in North Carolina are Celeste. But with that, cutting it open, the fruit and the leaf, maybe someone can tell me, probably not for sure, but give me a probability of it being a Celeste. Alright, well thank you, I really enjoyed that. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Have a great weekend.